I got this full length mirror. I'm going to be putting it on my entryway. I'm going to be unboxing it here with you just so we could take a look and see what it looks like. As you can see, the mirror is packaged very well. The box on its own says fragile, so they are very careful as far as the packaging. It is packed with styrofoam, and there's also wood around it to prevent it from getting cracked along the way. As you can see, it does have a plastic cover. I'm going to go ahead and remove that once I'm ready to put it up. But overall, I absolutely love the gold arch around it. I'm going to go ahead and flip it around just to show you what that looks like. As you can see, the backside as well is covered and protected with styrofoam. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that just to show you what the back looks like. So the great thing about this is that you could place it onto your furniture. And then it also has these right here. So you could go ahead and hang this mirror. So take a look. Has them on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and step back just to show you. This is what the back looks like. And this is what the front looks like. I went ahead and placed the mirror in the entryway. I needed a mirror in our entryway, and take a look. It fit perfectly. It is the perfect size. Like I said, I absolutely love the golden arch, and you could hang this mirror or lean it as I did here in the video. This mirror is perfect for bathrooms, entryways, salons. There is a variety of ways that you could use this mirror. This arch mirror adds aesthetic to any place. This is a high quality mirror. It is sturdy, and this is perfect to hang in any wall. Overall, if you're looking for a great golden arch mirror, I would definitely recommend. And just for reference, this mirror is 24 by 36. Great quality for an affordable price.